Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're making coconut cream, coconut milk and dried dehydrated or toasted coconut. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your coconut on open fire. This will help remove the flesh from the coconut easily and fast. This step is, our advice, is important, especially if your coconut is not fully matured. So the next thing you're going to do is to crack open the coconut, remove the flesh and then peel it. You just want the white parts without that black peel. Now once you have something like this, you're going to run it through your butcher mix slow juicer to extract the coconut cream. The reason why this is the coconut cream is because it has no sugar and it has no water. From the consistency, the thickness, the creaminess and all that, you can tell that that is coconut cream. And I was able to get this quantity from 2.5 coconut. Yes, so look at the shaft. It is so white, which is perfect for your dehydrated coconut that you can use for baking and all that. And this is our coconut cream. So I'm going to just pour it into this bottle. You can tell from this it is thick, creamy and lush. This is of high quality and grade A. So to make the coconut milk, all you need to do is add some water to that same shaft and run it through your butcher mix slow juicer again to extract the milk. This is the second product and this is how I make my coconut milk. It is perfect for my rice and beans, if you're making coconut drink and all of that. So this is the second product, our coconut milk, and as you can see, it is even better and has more quality than the store-bought canned coconut milk we usually use. Trust me. Now to the final product. It is the desiccated or dehydrated coconut. All you need to do is add your shaft into a pot on medium low heat, toast it around until it is a bit dry, and then spread it in on a tray and let it dry completely. You can use this for baking, decorations and all of that. And this is how you use all parts of the coconut. Like, share, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye.